Bitcoin just printed the perfect pin bar right at my entry spot that I mentioned in the video yesterday. Absolutely amazing, right on this spot. It lines up perfectly with my trend line from back in October 2020, bouncing again in July 2021. Absolutely perfectly. It is on pretty strong support, going all the way across, lining up quite nicely all the way back in January 2021. If Bitcoin does in fact bounce here, it's going to form an upwards triangle on basically forming over a full year. That's what's happening in my mind. Otherwise, this could be the perfect opportunity for the big players, the whales, to screw a lot of retail investors. Though it currently looks like it's doing this one, there is a strong possibility it could bounce and go straight back down. So don't leverage in, guys. Be careful. This is not a buy signal. This is just what I'm seeing. What's the RSI doing though? We do not have our confirmation breakout. It has not happened yet. The MACD trend line. There is no breakout just yet. There is the potential for a breakout, but we'll see. However, it is worth knowing there is divergence forming on the MACD, which is looking very nice. So right now, potentially a good time to buy. Use your own judgment, make your own call. I'm already in, and I was in back up here because I believed it was going to bounce back up there.